Arnya.
So something like this.
Oh my god,
Today, I am going to get into the minds of random girls on a Delhi street
Oh my god. Wait. Yeah.
and see if I can get their phone numbers.
Oh my god.
How, you ask? Well, keep watching.
Do you guys know what's photographic memory? Where like you see something and remember it. So I've been practicing that. I don't know if I've perfected it or not, but we'll give that a shot. Okay? Now we've never met before, right?
No.
Open your phone for me and go to your dial pad where you dial numbers. Type the phone number of this phone and make sure I don't see.
Yeah.
I can't see it, right?
No.
Just for a second, like just for a brief, you can see it. I'll just look at it. How many seconds did I look at your phone number? If you were to just
One.
hardly like a blink.
0.5.
Yeah?
Yeah.
790764. That's your number. I didn't look, no? 231. That's your phone number.
Yeah.
Look in my eyes. Think of your number. You're thinking of 56. That's your phone number, yeah?
Yeah.
19256. That's your phone number. 19256 or 356. 1956. Okay, so there's one number that I missed, yeah?
Yeah.
Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Look, we'll take it to the next step if I just do that. If I just take the energy of your hands. Look, if I remove numbers from here, notice how it starts jumping in my phone.
Oh my god.
No, but wait, there's one number missing. Take your finger like this. Watch. If you go from here, lift your hands. That's your phone number.
Yeah, it is. Oh my god.
Look.
Wait. The heck?
Pick it up.
अरे भाई यार
Put it on speaker.
हेलो
Say anything. I'm gonna give you guys a puzzle. Okay? And let's try. Let's see if you can solve it. Okay?
Let me get my BP down.
Yeah. When was the last time you did maths?
In school, not even in school. First grade, I guess.
Yeah. I'll just quickly write a few numbers.
Just do 1 + 1.
Manasvi, right?
Yeah.
I'll just write M-I. Okay. These are the numbers. You have to fill the last two numbers.
Can I just use your phone?
Yeah. Feel free to use anything.
I'll just chat GPT. Why am I using?
You can use a calculator, man.
You do, trust me, don't need to use ChatGPT. You can just... I can't believe she's ChatGPT in the puzzle. Does this number remind you of anything?
Wait.
It doesn't make sense? Like 883664?
It makes sense. It's my phone number.
What the hell? Seriously?
Almost. Oh, I'm not giving you my number.
That's your phone number?
Yeah, what the hell? Should I give you my number? What the hell? Yes.
So the last two numbers should be
46. OMG, how the...
Hey, nice, yeah?
How the...
ये don't message है ना बाद में. Don't message.
Do you mind sharing your phone number? Like, what's your phone number? We'll blur this for camera. Everyone.
Okay, 7 numbers.
93. Now, you're telling me this for the first time or have you told me this before?
I'm telling you this for the first time.
You've told me this before.
No, I haven't.
All of this is happening has happened before. That I knew that this is your number. Like in fact, before we met and we've not talked, you don't know me. What if I tell you that I knew this is exactly your phone number and I knew it? Would you believe that?
No, obviously I will not believe it.
This is not deja vu in the sense that it's happening again. It's Bhuja
I
again.
don't
All of
believe
this is happening.
so. Like it hasn't.
How many minutes has it been since we started this whole thing? If you were to just guess, since the time we met.
I guess good. 7 to 8.
7-8 minutes. Like since we started talking.
A minute and a half.
Minute, 2 minutes, yeah?
Yeah.
Show me your hand. I'll try this. Look, it's 7:30 right now.
Yeah.
We'll go 7 minutes back.
Oh my god.
It's 7:24. It's 5:16 right now. I could just go 2 minutes back
Okay.
and it'll be 5:14.
Okay.
If it's 5:14, that means you never told me your number, right?
Yeah.
Check, is it 5:14 on your phones as well? 5:14, 5:15, yeah? It's 5:15 on mine as well now.
Yeah.
But this doesn't mean anything.
Okay.
You have your phone on you?
Yes.
Open your phone as well. Check, is it 7:24 on your phone as well?
I don't think so. This can happen. How is it 7?
No, but if it's 7:24, that means you've not told me your number, right? That means none of this has ever happened. And look,
Yeah.
I told you, you told me your number, right? Look, I carry this piece of paper and I wrote something down on it. Which means that if you never told me your number, look, in my wallet, I keep a piece of paper that's been there the entire time.
Oh my god. Is this?
You want to
This
turn it over
can't
and
be.
read this?
Oh my god. No. Damn. Wow. It's my number actually.
Okay.
Can you read what it says?
How? That's actually scary. What if a stalker is using these tricks? Wow.
That's your phone number.
Wow. How did that happen?
My
We'll blur it
number?
any which ways.
My
That's,
number?
yeah,
Oh,
sure,
hell
yeah.
no. That is my
But
number,
that is
guys.
that's a souvenir for you. Thank you for being so
Thank
sweet.
you. Thank you. Thank you, guys.